Hi, I'm Joan Lok. We may be familiar with how Japanese would do wave in woodblock print, but have you seen a lot of those in Sumi-e landscape? So I think it's kind of interesting to do that. So in my next workshop, we'll focus on how to do waves crushing on rocks with Sumi-e ink in a Sumi-e landscape painting. I think it should be interesting to do that because this is actually something we see at the beach or when we are traveling to the Caribbean or various shorelines. Sometimes we see, wave crushing on rocks. And how would it look like if we use Sumi-e to depict that? Knowing that in Sumi-e painting, because Sumi-e is black, so in a wave, the top of the wave, the white are actually have to be used. We have to use negative painting to do that. So in my next workshop, Wave Crushing on Rock, we will focus on the planning of our compositions. Then we'll practice different ways of doing the waves, white caps, and also the movement, and also focus on how to negatively paint to make sure that we can have the rocks underneath. So in the workshop, we will try working on composition similar to this one or some of the ones in the back. So I hope you can join me in my next workshop, Sumi-e painting of waves crushing on rocks. So hope to see you in the next workshop.